Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, all signs. So this is your messages, energy check-ins, and prediction reading. Okay, so yeah, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay? And syempre, yes, kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganon rin po pagdating kay Perception of Light. Okay? So yes, don't forget to follow. And sa mga hahanap po no ng healer, si Kuya Dingsi naman yung pwede namin i-refer sa inyo. Okay? So again, katulad kay Perception of Light, don't forget to follow Kuya Dingsi. Okay? So, yun lang. Okay, and yeah, pagdating sa ating mga evil eye items, so this is our all-in-one evil eye bracelet. Okay, available in red and black string. So, ito po yung may initial po na bracelet natin. Okay, and ito naman yung pangalawang design natin ng evil eye bracelet. This is unisex and this is garterized po. Ito po is adjustable. Okay, and ito naman ang ating evil eye ring. So this is adjustable, non-tarnish and hypoallergenic. Okay, so ganyan siya. And yeah, ito naman ang ating evil eye necklace. So ganyan siya. Okay, so non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, and meron siyang extender. Okay, so ito po. So, yeah, pwede mo pong gamitin if ever meron kang ginagamit na chain. So, kung gusto mo yun, yeah, you can use it. Ilalagay nyo lang po ito, no? Itong ating pendant. Ito po yung important. Okay, so, oo, lagi nating sasabihin dahil merong mga bagong napasok, no? Dito sa atin pong channel. Okay, and yes, pagdating naman sa ating Granter necklace. So, si Granter necklace po is made to order. Okay, so kung gustong umorder ng ating Granter necklace, just message us. And yeah, makipag-usap lang po. Okay, kay admin or sa akin if ever na ako ay available. Okay, so yeah, yun lamang. So, let's start your reading. All signs. Okay, so let's start with you. Air signs. So, Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. So, ano bang meron? Anong meron sa mga air signs? Energy check-ins. Prediction. Okay? And messages. Okay, air signs. Okay, the Chariot in reversed. Tingnan natin. May konting aberya pagdating sa road. Okay, the Nine of Wands in reverse. So, ang nakukuha ko rito is nakakatamad na energy. Dahil paulit-ulit. Okay? Paulit, yeah. See, the Wheel of Fortune. This is like paulit-ulit. Walang pagbabago. I think some of you, kailangan magkaroon na ng new routine pagdating sa araw-araw na ginagawa. No, nakakatamad kasi talaga yung everyday na ito lang yung gagawin mo, ganto, 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 ganto. 'Di ba? Nakakatamad. Bagu-baguhin, sabi dito. Okay? Yeah, magkaroon ng sabihin nating time management maybe or yeah. Okay? So some of you, meron dito ako nakikitang parang i-repair, no? Pagdating sa sasakyan mo or kung ano man sa gamit mo. Okay? So, yeah, kasi pwedeng may masisira. Air signs, may masisira. Okay. So, what else? Two of Cups in reversed. Six of Wands. Meron ditong gamitan na nangyayari. Yes, gamitan. Yeah, the Ace of Wands in reverse. Some of you, this is like sex-based or umiikot lang sa sex yung connection na to. Okay? Ano tong Two of Cups in reversed? Yeah, the Three of Coins. So, some of you, pwedeng meron kasing third party na involved, kaya ganyan. Yung iba sa inyo nakakita ko dito, may mga kasamahan kayo sa workplace ninyo na may something. Yes. Yeah. May chance na may mangyaring ganyan. Okay. Rumor. Mga ganyan. So, what else? Air signs. King of coins. So, what's this? King of coins. In general, this is kaperahan. Managing. Like that. What's this? The Three of Swords in reversed. Okay. So, I'm seeing you. Pagdating sa kaperahan in general, may chance na sabihin nating mas magiging okay. Okay, the Three of Swords in reverse, mas magiging okay. Pero, yun nga, habang nagiging okay, hindi maiiwasan itong mga energy na hindi okay. Yes, para mabalanse rin syempre. Okay? The Magician in reverse, avoid nyo na lang. Okay? Yeah, see? The Ten of Coins. This is talking about money. So, yung iba rito ha, may chance na pwedeng may ipapakilala sa father or mother. Yeah. Yes. Okay. And nakita ko, be ready sa mga pwedeng sabihin. Lalo na kung ito ay relasyon. Okay, so there. Next. Next is fire signs, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Message for fire signs, please. Okay. Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. The Four of Swords. That's taking a break, taking a rest. No? Having, sabihin natin. And I think meron din energy rito ng healing. Energy ng silence. Thinking, praying for some of you. Ano tong Four of Swords? The Hierophant. Oh. Nako. So, yung iba rito naghihintay ng something pagdating sa connection. Tingnan natin itong Four of Swords. Some of you, nandito yung silence. Nandito yung breakup. Nandito yung separation. Ano tong Four of Swords? Yeah, see the Ace of Cups in reversed. If you're still maybe focusing, no, pagdating sa energy na nag-end, you're just wasting your time over it. No? Okay? Wasting your time na parang, or wasting your energy na sinasabi. Yes. Kailangan ng iba sa inyo na i-rest yung frequency or yung inyong energy. Lalo na pagdating sa love. Okay? Yeah. Para magsimula or makapagsimula muli. Okay? Some of you need to heal. Yes. Something. Okay, I mean, someone is thinking or planning na mag-propose. This is channeled. Okay, meron ditong nag-iisip na mag-propose. Pero hindi pa niya kaya. Pero may pagpaplano. Lalo na sa kasal nga. Okay? Let's see what else. For fire signs, Aries, Leo, and Sag. The Hermit in reverse. Okay, the Page of Cups in reverse. Someone is sad. Someone wants to express their emotions pagdating sa inyo. Okay, the Emperor. A father figure or a mother figure. May mga ganyan. Merong nahihiyang mag-reach out sa parent. Ano tong Hermit in reverse? The King of Swords. Merong nahihiya. Yeah. Ooh, eto ha. Some of you fire signs, you have a child. A child talaga. Meron kayong anak, no? Na gustong mag-open up. Yes. Gusto nila mag-open up pero natatakot sila na ma-judge or whatsoever. Natatakot sila na maging open. Sa mga nararamdaman, sa mga dinaranas nila ngayon, I don't know. Some of you, no? Kumukumustahin ninyo yung mga anak nyo. Kung may mga anak na kayo. Lalo na kung nasa tamang edad na, sabihin natin mga teenagers, like that. Okay? Yeah. They're sad. Some of them. Ayaw lang nila ipakita na sad sila. Kasi nandun yung nahihiya sila. Okay? Kumustahin nyo. Paminsan-minsan. Okay. What else? Iba rito ha. Nakakuha ko ng energy na pwedeng mayroong ipapatawag. Like something, hindi ko alam eh. Pwedeng may something na parang conflict pagdating sa school. Okay? I don't know. Di ko alam kung bakasyon na ba ngayon. Pero parang may ganyan. Parang hindi makiklear kung ano man ang meron. Like, hindi mo isa-settle kung ano mang meron sa school. Like that. Someone is nag-aalala. Yeah. Next. Page of Swords. Okay. A message. What's with that? Ooh. The 9 of Coins. Yeah. Ano tong Page of Swords? Nakakuha ko ng ano dito. Bills. Bills. Okay. Page of Swords, the 5 of Cups. Nakukuha ko rin naman na pwedeng makakabayad sa mga bills o yung mga fire signs. It's a good thing, no? Okay, this is payments, this is bills, transaction, online. Some of you. So, online nagbabayad. Okay? Yeah. Knight of Cups in reversed. Someone wants to commit or maybe someone is attracted. Some of you fire signs, ikaw itong nakikita nitong air sign na ito or earth sign na ito na napaka attractive. Yeah. Some of them may feelings na for you. Yeah, they want to see you palagi, parang ganyan. I don't know bakit ganito eh. Something like may pagka-immaturity na nangyayari pagdating sa kanila. So, maybe some of them is nahihiya, maybe. Okay? Na mag-reach out or magsabi ng nararamdaman. Mga ganon. Next. Water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Ano ang message? Energy check-ins and prediction. Okay, may nag-flip na isa. Dalawa pala. So, get natin yan. What's this? Ooh, Wheel of Fortune and the 3 of Swords in reverse. Wheel of Fortune, 3 of Swords in reverse. So, this is energy of healing. Okay, moving on. Parang ganyan. Makaka-move on. A lot of parang new opportunities coming in. Okay? Na pwedeng makatulong sa healing process na ginagawa ng iba sa inyo. Okay. I think there's a good news coming. Okay? And this is big. This is something big. Okay. What else? Water signs. The Ace of Wands in reverse. Okay, what's this? May uuwi. May uuwi. Okay, may babalik sa bahay or may uuwi. Someone na manggagaling sa malayo. Okay? Someone is talking, sabihin nating about, ang tawag dyan? Hindi ko alam kung paano sabihin to. Ang mga usapan ay hindi pang bata. Opo. Okay, may ganyan. And this is may nagbabalak magkita at magaganto. Magaganto. Ganon. Yes. And I think pwedeng ma-delay. Okay? Namamawis ako. Okay. Yeah, the world. Ano to? Bakit ganito to aking camera? So, the world. So, may energy nga. Pwedeng may magkikita or pwedeng may may magkikita, nakaplano na yon and pwedeng ma-delay. Yes, pwedeng ma-delay. Pwedeng may gumawa ng dahilan, ganyan, ganito. Something came up, mga ganyan. Yeah. May pagkikita eh. And yes, may sex dito. Pero madi-delay. Okay. So, what else? Water signs. Justice in reverse. What's with that? What's with that? Justice in reversed. The Four of Swords. Let's see. Ano tong Justice in reverse na to? Oh, meron ito water signs This is something specific. Meron ditong magbabayad like bribery. Bribery ba tawag dyan? I don't know. Like may pagbabayad para hindi maituloy yung kaso. This is specific. Hindi po to para sa lahat. Okay? So, para ma-end yung kung ano mang kinakaharap na case na yan, may magbabayad. Para matahimik na lang. Yeah. I'm sorry kung ano man yun. Okay, so there. Meron ding nagte-take advantage. I don't know. May nagte-take advantage. Okay, so next. Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. So, message for Earth signs, please. Energy check-ins and prediction for Earth signs. Please, let's see. The Ten of Cups. So that is happiness, contentment, okay, victory. What's with this Ten of Cups? The Eight of Wands in reversed. Diba sa inyo may occasion ditong pwedeng marisked? Yeah, pwedeng may schedule like occasion na pwedeng ma-reschedule. Ano tong Eight of Wands in reversed? Excuse me. The Nine of Swords. Some of you, may mga kapamilya kayo na hindi nyo nakakausap ngayon. Iniisip nila kayo. Okay? Or kung may mga issue dito, gusto nila kayo makausap. Yeah, communication. Yeah. Gusto kayo makita, if ever. Parang ganyan. They miss you. Some of you. They miss you. Family member or relatives. Okay? What else? Ooh, the Ten of Coins. Wow, as always. Yeah, the Ten of Coins, pera. Prosperity, abundance. Ang ganda, oh my God. Nakakuha ko ng kasal dito. Pero someone is sobrang takot. Okay? Or nag-overthink lang, maybe. Ano tong Ten of Coins? The Two of Cups in reversed. So, what's this Two of Cups in reversed? Some of you, yung pagsasama ng iba sa inyo, pwedeng sa pera na lang tumatakbo, no? Ano tong Two of Cups in reversed? Yeah, the Sun in reversed. May pananawa, may panlalamig. Pero maganda ang ikot ng pera. Okay. Yeah, there's conflict. The Five of Swords. Some of you, there's partnership na pwedeng mangyari. Pwedeng pinagkatiwalaan mo tong taong to, or pinagkakatiwalaan mo. Pwedeng sirain ito yung tiwala mo. Sa pera. Okay, sa pera. Leo, water, earth. What else? The Three of Cups in reversed. So, let's see kung ano to. Marami kasing energy. Ooh, the King of Wands. So, there's a person na talagang playtime lang ang gusto with you. Okay? There's a lot of manipulation coming from that person. Okay, the King of Wands in reverse. Meron ditong mga third party. May mga third party dito. Yeah, the Knight of Wands in reverse. The player. Okay, the player. Some of you, pwedeng may makikilala kayo pero ilalagay lang kayo sa third party. I'm sorry. Okay, I'm so sorry. Iba naman dito if this is like partnership, lalo na pagdating sa business, kasi si King of Wands is someone who is managing. Okay? So, sa tingin ko may tsansa na puwedeng hindi magkaroon ng magandang, pagma-manage, oo. If ever na may magbibigay ng, sabihin nating offer maybe, parang ganyan. Nandiyan yung ano, eh, nandiyan yung pagloloko na puwedeng mangyari, okay. Ano 'tong King of Wands universe? You can't trust this fire sign. Yeah, see, the Three of Swords. So, may chance nga yung iba rito is, may third party, okay. Fire sign, water sign. Okay, so, sumilip si Ace of Pentacles. Oo. So, sabihin nating madaming problem. O sabihin nating medyo olats, no? Yung earth sign pagdating sa love. Pero pagdating sa pera, maganda eh. Anong gusto nyo? Bakit hindi po namin makuha? Oo, sabi ng iba. Bakit hindi po pwedeng pareho? Hindi ko rin alam. O, di ba? Ayan. Oh, si King of Cups universe pero andyan yung pera, Ten of Pentacles and 'di ba? This is abundance, prosperity. Oh, grabe. Lagi itong talagang lumalabas sa inyo, no, earth signs. Kahit simulan nyo sa umpisa. Kahit simulan nyo kay air sign, kay fire, kay water, simulan nyo hindi nalabas to. Sa inyo lang. Hindi ko alam bakit. Ha? Oo. King of Coins universe. So, some of you kailangan may gawing pagmamanage, like may gawing bago pagdating sa pagmamanage, lalo na sa pera. Okay, lalo na po sa pera, ha? Okay. Oo, may gawing pagbabago. Judgment in reverse. This is something like ending of a cycle or ending sa mga routines. Maybe. Okay. So, yeah. Mm-hmm. Be careful with this fire sign, air, water. Yeah. Gusto kong makuha yung energy nitong King of Wands na ito pa. Okay, isa pa. Para, yeah, the tower. Some of you. Pwedeng may mangyaring, or pwedeng sabihin natin, may nangyari ng separation sa inyo nitong taong to. Pero, nandyan yung makikipag-reconcile. Kasi, pwedeng gawa ng pera mo. Okay. Yes, merong nagloloko dito. Or may magloloko in the near future. So, yeah, yun ang ating reading for all signs. Again, yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you!